Cover new kitchen floor tile with protective layers immediately after installation to prevent scratches, chips, and stains during ongoing renovation work. Start by laying a continuous base layer of heavy-duty cardboard cut to fit the floor, taping seams with wide cloth tape to prevent shifting and moisture wicking. On top of the cardboard, add a high-density protective board or heavy-duty reinforced plastic sheeting when there will be heavy foot traffic or equipment. Overlap edges by at least 4 inches and tape down with a tape that removes cleanly to avoid residue. Keep grout work timed to minimize exposure. If other trades will be working heavily in the space, delay final grout sealing until after the messiest phases. Or, at minimum, allow grout to cure fully before covering to avoid trapping moisture. Always lift rather than drag tools or material boxes across the surface. Use plywood runners or lift and carry techniques when moving appliances or cabinetry to distribute load and prevent edge chips. Use corner protectors on exposed tile edges and a soft transition strip at doorways to avoid trip damage and edge impacts. Finally, assign one person to be responsible for daily inspection of protectors and quick cleanup of any spills so small stains do not become permanent. Common mistakes include using only thin drop cloths that shift and expose tile, which you fix by using heavier layered protection and taping seams securely so the floor stays covered. Another issue is dragging heavy items, which causes chips and cracks, prevented simply by using plywood runners or carrying items with 2 people and using leaning pads on corners. A third problem is covering tile before grout cures, which traps moisture and causes staining. Avoid that by waiting the manufacturer recommended curing time and using breathable covers if coverage cannot be delayed. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors and share experiences about protecting finished tile during renovations. We also give contractors a place to find work and join our discussion community to ask specific questions and trade practical tips.